Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Akib Shahzad, and today I am going to tell you about Google's summer internship program for the year of 2022 for international students. Google's Summer Internship Program 2022 for international students. Applications are open to apply for the Google Summer Internship Program 2022. The Google Summer Code Internship for international students from all around the world. Maximum $6,000 stipend will be given and minimum $3,000 stipend will be given for 3 months. The Google internship is open to all the students who are pursuing their bachelor degree, master degree, and PhD degree, and current university students are also eligible who are above 18 years of age. All the participants from around the world with any nationality are eligible for the Google Internship Program 2022. If your idea is good enough, the organization will select you and you will be assigned a mentor and will work under the mentor for 3 months. On successful completion of it, you will be awarded a stipend and certificate. Google Summer Internship Program 2022 details. This internship is provided by the Google and internship duration is 3 months. The stipend is $6,000. And eligibility nationality is international students can apply for this internship program. Last date to apply for this internship program is 19 April 2022. Google Summer Internship Program benefits. This is a full paid internship for international students. Minimum 3,000 USD stipend and maximum 6,000 stipend depending on your country. Working with big international companies and get certificate at the end. About Google Summer of Code. Spend your summer break writing code and learning about open source development while earning a stipend. Accepted students work with a mentor and become a part of the open source community. Many become lifetime open source developers. This is a remote work from home and internship or development occurs online. There is no requirement to travel as a part of the program. Google internship dates. The Google Summer Internship will run from 13 June to November 28 for the year of 2022. During this duration, students will work on their projects with mentors. Eligibility criteria for Google Internship Program. All international students from any country are eligible, must be a resident of a country not currently embargoed by the United States. University students of bachelor, master and PhD can apply for it. Age should be above 18 years and must be an open source beginner, must be eligible to work in their country of residency during duration of the program. How it works. Students contact the mentor organization they want to work with and write up a project proposal for the summer. If accepted, students spend a month integrating with their organization prior to the start of coding. Students then have 3 months to code, meeting the deadlines agreed upon with their mentors. Organization. Open source projects apply to be mentor organization. Once accepted, organization discuss possible ideas with students and then decide on the proposal they wish to mentor for the summer. They provide mentors to help guide each student through the program. Mentor. Exciting contribution with the organization can choose to mentor a student's project. Mentors and students work together to determine appropriate milestone and requirement for the summer. Mentor interaction is a vital part of the program. Application deadline. The application deadline for this Google Summer Internship Program is 19 April 2022 and Google will start accepting application from 4th April. So you know you can apply for this Summer Internship Program. That is a remote base. So how to apply? So go to official link. So this is Google Summer of Code. So if you are good in programming language, then you can apply for this Google Summer program. So view program page and register to become a contributor. Display name, my name is Muhammad Akib Shahzad. Thank you for choosing to apply for Google Summer of Code. Please provide some information about yourself to get started. All fields are required unless stated otherwise. This is your personal identifier that will be displayed on the site and in emails. Country. For statistical purpose, the following information is not publicly visible. So your gender, my gender is male. How did you first find out about Google Summer of Code? So I find out through Google Summer website. Have you applied to Google Summer of Code before? No. Did you participate in Google Codes as a student? Yes. No. Are you current in academic program, university code, online courses? Yes. Have you ever contributed to open source before? No, this is my first time contributing to open source. So setting the following information will not be publicly visible and is only gathered to enhance your experience. So time zone. So I will prefer time zone Pacific Midway. So then register yourself. So this is your Google Summer of Code registered was completed successfully. So go to my dashboard. Proposal must be submitted before 18 April 2022. So go to check your email address. So in which organization do you want to work? So I am going to apply for programming language and Eclipse. Technologies Java and topics are robotic, automotive tools and cloud native Java and IoT and Edge. So if you want to submit your proposal, so first of all guys, you have to submit your proposals and then go to submit proposal. So here, please provide all required information, upload a PDF and upload a PDF of your proposal. So you have to write your proposal title here. After that, your proposal summary and your project size, medium or large, and project technology. You have to write here either it is Python, JavaScript or MySQL or any other. And project topic, you have to write it here either it is robotic or graphic or web machine learning. Proposal PDF file here, and after that you have to submit simply your proposal. So guys, this is the whole process. In this way you can apply for the Google Summer of Code internship program. So guys, this is a very good opportunity for the programmers who want to enhance their abilities. This is a very good platform to enhance their inner abilities. So guys, must avail this opportunity and also share this opportunity with your friend circle who are currently studying and who have completed the study and they are master in programming. Thank you so much guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.